Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Yeah, on the Doge chart, we are still in this sideways consolidation. A few days ago, I showed you this triangle pattern on our Discord server as a standard template, and the price is still following this one. Just to show you that again, we are on our Discord server in the Academy section, and here this is this triangle pattern, the theory behind it that I showed you a few days ago. It's a so-called contracting triangle. There's even a version, I think I actually showed you the other version with the overshooting B wave, which is a so-called running triangle. In these triangles, B waves overshoot above the previous highs because of the bullishness in the market. And I think we have something like that on the Doge chart. But it has to stay above the C wave low, right? We're currently pretty much here and maybe already started the move up, which is the upside breakout. These triangles would normally, if the interpretation is correct, break out to the opposite side of the E wave. Triangles overall represent indecision, so you can never really be sure about them. They can also break down, which is then a triangle just the other way around, which again, I don't want to make it too complicated. But at the moment, my interpretation is that this is a triangle pattern, that we completed the E wave. We have to stay above the C wave low and we're breaking out to the upside. So like that, right? The C wave low that we need to stay above, because this is the invalidation point, that is the 36.5 cent level. Again, can I assume it really? I mean, we haven't really seen any breakout attempt yet. That's what needs to happen, right? So from an objective point of view, what we need to see is, or what are the signals? What are the breakout signals? We have the D wave high at 46.5 cents. That's an indication we're breaking out. But the confirmation will be a break above the B wave high at 48.5 cents. And then we are likely going to move to the next upside fib level around 60 cents. So the price is trying. I mean, we've seen a green candle, but we are far away from an upside breakout, right? So we have seen a reaction to the lower trend line that I showed you before. And we are still holding above the C wave low at 36.5 cents. So that is the invalidation point. Would it be bearish below that? No. Maybe short-term bearish or uncertain, but it would not be bearish because we could simply form either an extended triangle, that would be possible, but more likely probably a larger wave 4. Overall, the support area matters here for this internal wave 4. The wave 4 can be a triangle, or it can form a larger so-called WXY structure where the Y wave is an A, B, C. And if we break out to the downside, this is what it's going to be. And in that case, then we're likely going to test 34 cents or maybe even 28.8 cents. This would, however, all be part of an unfolding wave 4. And we would just have a bit of a delay in the upside breakout. That's the idea. Below 25 cents, I would have to change my perspective. But as long as we're holding 25 cents, I see the pullback as a fourth wave. In an ideal world, this is a triangle pattern. As you can see, it looks like a triangle. It adheres to the rules and guidelines of Elliott wave triangles. What I showed you before, we had triangles on the XRP chart. They broke to the upside. There was the issue that the E wave was very short. I mean, this looks perfect in my opinion. If we also measure the length of the E wave, I mean, could the E wave be complete? What we're normally looking for is either the 38.2 extension or the 61.8 extension. And these levels are 38.9 cents and 41.6 cents. And it reached perfectly the 61.8 extension. That's an ideal level for an E wave to complete. I mean, it could be complete. We just need that upside breakout signal. And I already gave you the next upside targets, also the next support levels. And we just need to be a little bit patient while the market is just hopefully just completing this triangle. And maybe we're already in the move up. But I have to say, if we are in the move up already, normally a breakout of a triangle is quite swift. So it doesn't look like that yet. But things can change quite quickly in crypto. So definitely worth watching. We're now at the point where that move to the upside could start, but just be aware that a break below that C wave low will open the door to that wider wave 4. That's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.